I wasn't actually planning on doing a video today, but I thought maybe I should record this. So Mateo woke up sick yesterday, and he was coughing, but today he's been like weird coughing, like he's wheezing in the middle of it, and he's not catching his breath between coughs, so he'll start crying when he can't like breathe correctly. The wheezing sounds a little bit more, like right now, the wheezing just sounds a little bit more worrying. He doesn't have any signs of having asthma like Elena did. So I'm taking him to urgent care at the moment. So when I get there, I will do an update. We got in pretty quickly. We were like the only ones here. They checked his vitals. His oxygen was at 95. They just did all the, normal checking and stuff. So now we're just here waiting for the doctor. For the most part, he's acting okay. Like, he's fine, but it's the wheezing. You can hear it when you're holding him. So he's breathing like really weird. So I'm just hoping he's okay, and if he has anything, they could help him. Hi. Mateo, say hi. Nice? Yummy. Mateo. What is that?
Goldfish.
Goldfish?
Toy Story 4. Puppy. What's your son, Puppy?
Dr. Elena? Oh. What's wrong with brother? What's his diagnosis? What does Mateo have?
He has coffees.
Oh, he has coffees? Thanks for the answer, doctor.
You're welcome.
Mateo, you hear that? You got coffees. And that's it from Dr. Elena. So the doctor came in and said that he was wheezing. His oxygen was at a 95. She used the thing to check his breathing, and they're saying that they're gonna give him a steroid so his oxygen can come up, and then they're gonna do a breathing treatment on him. So that's where we're at. It looks like he could be showing signs of being asthmatic, just like my daughter.
Okay. Watch it. Nice. Hold it out, down, away from your eyes. Hold on. Nice, make it at the house. You guys can pick it up.
He's trying to eat it.
You're supposed to eat it, Martha.
Someone's feeling better. Yes. Oh, Josh. What is that? Did you do it? So he got a steroid and what was that, like a 5-minute breathing treatment, and his oxygen is back up to 100. So he's doing so much better. They also said that there's like a little white bump on his tongue and lip, so he might be showing some signs of thrush. So they're gonna treat him for that as well, but overall he's doing a lot better. Your shoe fell off. Friendsgiving tomorrow. Are we shopping? Look at all the cute little Christmas candies. Whoa. Puppy. Yeah. Are you gonna help me pick out a plan? I don't know what size that I need, honey. We are back home. We've actually been home for a while now. Just never felt the need to actually pick up the camera. I'm actually really not feeling that good, so yeah, I kind of just didn't feel like recording anything. All I did was buy the stuff from the store for Friendsgiving, and then my mom is currently helping me make some mac and cheese for Friendsgiving tomorrow, and that's it. After that, we'll probably just head to bed. My kids already took a shower this morning, so no need to do that tonight. And then, yeah, I mean, that was not much of an eventful day. Julian's actually going to pick up Mateo's medicine at the store at the moment, and then he's gonna bring it back so I can make sure that he has his inhaler. And he does have, like I think I said, he has his steroids just in case he needs that for the next 3 days. That's just it for today. We'll be back with another video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more.